This is John with WTI. And as I'm always trying to look for healthier options for any one of the meals, or in this case, sauces, this Hughes barbecue sauce, honey flavored, low calorie, is a great one. And I'm gonna tell you why. This is like a barbecue sauce, but it feels like a jelly. It's low in sugar. You can actually taste this, that it has this different taste that whenever you add it to one of your meals, you know that you're just having a really low calorie, a nice option. Because if you really want to trade it, normally barbecue sauce will be really high in sugar. It's part of the formula, but this one here, even while removing this high intakes of sugar, it's actually pretty good. It's gonna give your food a nice flavor, and the texture and the flavor and the ingredients are, you can just feel them, that they're pretty much higher quality. So this is a great option for you to exchange into good options, for it to be more into the more nutritious and less sugary ways. This is actually a great option. So this was John with WTI, and that was my point of view.